Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Google Sheets Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is on how you can link multiple Google Sheets together. This is if you want to import data from one Google Sheets template to a completely different Google Sheets template or file. This is an important feature function if you run your business with Google Sheets. Today you can see I'm using my Google Sheets CRM template. If you're interested in learning more about this all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template that I built for small businesses, I'll add the relevant links and tutorials down below for you to check out. For the purpose of today's tutorial, you can see that I created this sheet inside my Google Sheets CRM, which is an all-in-one Google Sheets template. And I want to automatically import some of this data into my Sheetify Bookkeeping Google Sheets template. Let's jump over to the template that I want to import this data to. Here we are inside my Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit. Again, if you're interested in learning about our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit, then what I'll do is add the appropriate resources down below in the description for you to check out. Again, within this standalone Google Sheets template, I'm going to navigate over to this sheet that I created earlier. It's a simple sheet that I want to use to track my customer ID, the project type, and project cost. So how can we link this Google Sheets Bookkeeping template with our Google Sheets CRM template? All I need to do is click here and locate the import range function. Again, do this with the sheet that you want to import data to from a different Google Sheets template. Hit equals, then type in import and locate import range, then add speech marks and enter the URL either here or up here of the Google Sheets template or file that you want to connect to. Again, let's head back to my Google Sheets CRM template, find the URL of this template, copy that URL, and head back to the Google Sheets template that you want to import the data to. Paste in the URL, then close with speech marks, comma, then speech marks again, and this time we need to add the name of the sheet. Again, let's head back to our Google Sheets CRM template, and you can see the sheet name is CRM Sheet. Let's head back to our bookkeeping template, add the sheet name, then exclamation mark, and the data range that you want to add. Let's head back to the CRM template, and I want to add data from A2 through to A10. And all we need to do is add that data range. Head back to the template you want to import this data to. I'm going to add A2 colon through to A10. Then close with speech marks and bracket. Then hit enter. And as you can see, that data has been imported. If we head back to my CRM template and navigate down here and add other customer IDs, let's add one more down here. You can see I just added these two customer IDs. Let's head back to my Google Sheets Bookkeeping template, and you can see that data has been automatically added in here into my Sheetify Bookkeeping Google Sheets template. Hey, just quickly before we get back into this tutorial, if you're getting value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe. This means a lot to me and ultimately helps us reach and help more small business owners across YouTube. Thank you in advance, and with that quick note, let's jump back into this video. Now I also want to add project type and project cost. Let's navigate through that formula again. Hit enter, import range. Here we have import range, speech marks, the sheet URL, close with speech marks, then comma, speech marks again, add the sheet name, exclamation mark, and the data range. Let's head back to the Google Sheets CRM, and I want to import project description through to project cost. So I want to import this data range here from G2 through to H10. Let's do that. G2 colon to H10. Close with speech marks and a bracket, and hit enter. And as you can see, just like that, this data has been added. If any data is added to the Google Sheets CRM template, or in your case, the Google Sheets template that you connected, all the data within the range that is added will be automatically added here. For example, let's head back to that Google Sheets template and add some project descriptions and costs down here. As you can see, I added roof fix and the project cost over here, as well as roof replacement and the cost here. Head back to the Google Sheets file template that you connected, and you can see that that data has automatically been added. And that is how you can simply link and connect multiple Google Sheets templates together. That way you do not have to copy and paste data across from your different templates. You can automatically import data using this import range formula. And again, if you're interested in an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM or bookkeeping toolkit, make sure you check out those resources I've linked down below in the description. Again, thank you for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.